Hey guys, Leah Hill here and Dr. Arland Hill here at Chorizo Ranch, and I normally cook for an entire week of our meat consumption on the grill because you can kind of put your timer on, set it, forget it, and then come back to it. So I'm going to have to cook more this week, and I'm going to let Dr. Hill explain to you why. But before I do, I had a question: is our chorizo sausage fresh grillers spicy? So Dr. Hill, show me the Italian grillers and how many was in there.
So these are the Italian grillers.
And there's 8 in there.
Yep.
I promise you. Okay, and then I handed them to Dr. Hill to try. I did a spicy taste test just to make sure because we don't want Dr. Hill to have spicy things. And honey, show him that bowl. How many's left in there?
2.
Okay, and I honestly ate 2 myself. But Dr. Hill devoured the rest. So give me an honest assumption, an assessment of how you feel the chorizo sausages tasted. Those who are scared of spicy.
So as Leah said, I don't do spice. Me and spices don't get along. Too much heat just doesn't work for me. So with this chorizo, it was a consideration if it was going to be hot, and I let her sample it. I took a nibble off of one of hers, and it's not spicy. I would classify it more as a lot of flavor.
Daisy agrees. Hi, Daisy.
Daisy does agree. Daisy would like a sample. Maybe later, sweetheart. Point being on this, guys, is that if you're looking for a lot of flavor, you're going to find it with the chorizo. But if you don't want that spice, that heat, you're not going to get it. But I think even for those of you that do like the spice and the heat, you'll still appreciate this particular product. Just because I could just think of so many ways you could use this. Use it as a standalone to just consume. We just ate these by themselves. They were good enough to do that on their own and just munch on them. But I think you could easily take this and dice it up, mix it in some different dishes, and just add it to a lot of different recipes and really get a lot of enjoyment out of having that as part of your meal.
So prior we had tried the Italian and we devoured those 2. And then before that we had the breakfast and we devoured those 2. And of course our originals. So there was 4 amazing flavor options. They are built in with the boxes. So, and just a tip, guys, we're all busy. We have families, we have stuff we got to do. We're so busy with all the things on our chore list. So I just heat up the grill, guys. I did wings, drumsticks, and thighs. I made burgers, and I made the chorizo and the Italian sausages for the week. I'm going to obviously have to cook more meat because we kind of devoured the chorizo sausages. But I mean, it's fast, it's easy. That way, all you have to worry about is your side dishes. Like you hear the oven going behind you. I have sweet potatoes with a little cinnamon on it. I've already made butternut squash. All this stuff will store in your refrigerator, ready to go. So on those tough, hard days during the week, man, you're already set. So Leah Hill here, Dr. Arland Hill here at Chorizo Ranch. Oh, he's got something else.
I've got one other thing for this, just to add some comment to the sausages based on my own personal feedback, because we do have the Italian and we do have the breakfast blend. And I would say on that breakfast blend, if you're looking for something that has a true breakfast sausage type of flavor that you can maybe dice up, you can mix it with some eggs.
Breakfast tacos.
Breakfast tacos, great idea on that. That breakfast sausage is going to go perfect for that. And then on the Italian, for those of you that do like more of that pepper flavor and that little bit of spice, I still wouldn't call these Italian sausages hot, but for me, they actually did have more of a pepper flavor and that pepper tone than what you have with the chorizo. So if you do like that, actually focus on these Italian. Think about adding some of the Italian into your shopping cart there and trying those, and I think you'll like that as well. So
yeah, it has a lot of fennel undertones, so that actually intensifies the flavoring of the black pepper that is in the Italian blend. So it has that nice fennelly black pepper flavor. So all right, anything else?
Nope, that's it. Enjoy the flavors, guys, because you've got a lot to choose from now.
All right, guys, everything's live on the store, and we'll see y'all later. Bye.
Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.